Reducing your email unsubscribe rate is crucial for maintaining an engaged and interested subscriber base. Here are some tips to help you reduce your email unsubscribe rate. 1. Segment your email list. Email segmentation allows you to send more personalized and targeted emails to your subscribers. You can segment your subscribers based on their preferences, demographics, or past interactions. 2. Use a catchy subject line. The subject line serves as the initial impression subscribers have of your email. Develop attention-grabbing and persuasive subject lines that compel recipients to open your emails. 3. Choose the right email frequency. Sending too many emails can overwhelm your subscribers, leading to higher unsubscribe rates. Monitor engagement metrics and consider asking subscribers for feedback to determine the optimal email frequency for your audience. 4. Create quality content. The content of your emails plays a significant role in subscriber engagement. Make sure your emails provide value, whether it is informative articles, exclusive offers, or relevant updates. 5. Optimize your emails for mobile. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's essential to ensure that your emails are mobile-friendly. Design your emails to be responsive and easily readable on smaller screens. 6. Clean your email list regularly. Perform regular email cleaning by removing inactive or disengaged subscribers is crucial. A clean email list can help you send emails to those interested audiences only. Utilizing an email cleaning service such as Mailbox Validator can assist in keeping the hygiene of your email list and eliminating the need for manual efforts. Clean your email list to reduce the email unsubscribe rate by using Mailbox Validator for free now.